liebe Fluggäste, es wird Airlines Flug 919 nach Zürich, durchgeführt von Air Baltic, ist nun am Ausgang 8 für Sie zum Einsteigen bereit. Wir beginnen mit unserem Priority Boarding und bitten erst unsere Fluggäste mit den Boardinggruppen Pre und 1 sowie Business Class Gäste und Home Circle Mitglieder sind noch einmal an Bord. Vielen Dank. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your Swiss Airlines flight T19 to Zurich, operated by Air Baltic, is now ready for boarding at the exit number 8. We're starting our priority boarding and asking our passengers who book with the boarding groups 3 and 1 to proceed to the gate.
Cockpit crew, and also welcome you on board our Swiss Star Alliance flight to Zurich, operated by Air Baltic. My name is Filipa, I am your senior cabin crew, and together with Rasmus and Elise, we are happy to take care of you on this flight. The flight time to Zurich will be 55 minutes. We apologize for the late departure of this flight due to air traffic control problems. And now may we have your attention for the safety video demonstration. Thank you, and we wish you a pleasant flight.
Policy on this flight. Smoking is forbidden on board the aircraft, and that includes electronic cigarettes as well. If there is a failure in the air supply, your oxygen mask will drop down automatically in front of you. Pull the mask towards you, and don't worry, the oxygen will start to flow. Place tighten right around your waist. Once off the plane, pull the handle.
ZürichAirport is partly cloudy. Temperature is plus 14 degrees centigrade. I hope that you all enjoyed your fun with us today and hope that we will see you soon back on board again. Thank you and have a nice weekend.
Welcome to Zurich Airport. We ask you to keep your seatbelts fastened until the respective cabin sign has been turned off. Please open the baggage racks carefully as objects could fall out. We now say goodbye to you and hope you've enjoyed your time with us. Thank you for flying Swiss, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. We wish you a very pleasant evening.
Das lasst nehmen mit.
For your doors, that's all.